Hello, this is Jamie Magrich. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today let's make a post-it note holder. We have a piece of cardstock which is 8.5 by 3.25. I have a piece that I've embossed, and this one is 3.25 by 4.25. Then I have another small piece which is 2.5 by 3.5. I have my post-it note. And then I have some stickers from my stash. You can use any stickers you want. These just happen to be Martha Stewart ones that were 99 cents. Okay, so let's get started here. And I'm going to score this paper. You can just fold it if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and score it. So this is 8.5, so half of that is 4.25. So I'm going to score it 4.25. Then half of that would be 2 1/8. Okay, so go ahead and fold on those lines. And this one I want to fold this way. I probably should score it that way, but okay, so it should look like that. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay, I'm also going to just use Tombow liquid glue. I'm going to take my post-it note and put some glue on the back of it. And then I want to make sure that post-it part's at the top, but it really doesn't matter. I'm going to center this on this bottom section there. Adhere it down good. Turn it over and make sure it's got a good adhesion. Okay, I'm going to take this bigger piece, and that's going to get glued onto here. It should match up exactly with the size of the card, so I just need to put glue on this part. Any glue will work. Okay, line up that top edge, two sides here. Okay, now I'm going to decorate this part. That's when the stickers come into play. All right, I'm going to use this one here. I think I want it to be like that. I'll bring in snips because I think I need to trim the bottom of that off, but I might leave it. I'm going to add a couple of these little ones. I have a bow here I tie. Let's bring in a glue dot. Stick it right on the glue dot. Let's put that right here. Let's put a glue dot under that too. It's the end of my, there it is. Okay, now let's add this on the front of here with some dimensionals, but I think I want to edge it so that it has a little bit of color around the edge. I'm not sure what color I want to use. Bring and hold olive, that's always a good choice. Just going to add a little bit around the edges. Hold this back for a minute. And that way when you put it on here, you have a little bit of contrast between the two colors. I need a little more here. Okay. Close this up so I don't end up with any accidents. I'm going to bring in some dimensionals. This will go right in the center. I think I'll cut that off. Right at the bottom here. There we go. There we go. And this will stand up right like that. Well, thank you so much for joining me today at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.